welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to film Filipino makeup look. I just did a makeup look imagining I am in Philippines and I am going to follow the makeup style of Philippines because Korea is really cold and the weather is really freezing. I really miss the warm weather, so I just did this makeup look, missing the times I spent in Mindanao, Boracay, Manila, and Cebu. Yes, so this is going to be fun. So just continue. The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Concealer like this. Here and around my mouth like this. And I will pull out any kind of sponge. Just tap it. Tap the concealer. Bobbi Brown's Brow Kit to make it look more natural. It just looks like another step. This is actually a mascara. Just a really like a colossal. I am not going to apply it on my eyebrow. If you apply it like, okay, let's see. If you apply your mascara, like coat it like really lightly with using your mascara clear. So I will just emphasize the brows, the hair of my brows using the mascara. Blush. I'm going to use a lip tint as my blush. So I'll just apply a tint like this and tap it on using your sponge. It looks like really weird from the beginning and super red, and you would think like, is that? Don't panic. Like this. Like even if you think it is like too much, yeah, I think it is too, but I'm not going to panic because I know what I should do. I'll just tap it on, tap my tint, and with the left, I will apply a little bit on your chin, on your nose, on your forehead. Concealer, and apply the concealer on the sponge like once or twice. Too much color. If you think that you did it too much. And this will help your blush to like stay, like really last well on your face. So I would recommend you to apply the concealer. I'll apply once more the blush in this part. Balance. I'll powder on the puff and apply it like this. This is the reason why I applied a lot of blush, because the powder is going to like cover the color which you already tried to make using your blush. So now I'm tapping on my face and it really feels like a baby skin as possible. So I'm going to pick out the same brow kit that I already have. So you will just tap once. And I also recommend you to have use your eyebrow as your eyeshadow, because the eye lasts better than the eyeshadow product. So I like to use this kind of brow kit as my eyeshadow whenever I visit, whenever I am in a situation of humid and hot weather. Got a really small dark brownish color. And I'll just fill this part of my eyes. Here too. Eyeliner. I would recommend you to use any kind of waterproof eyeliner. And if you're running out of time, if I am running out of time in the Philippines, I would just pick out my pencil eyeliner under lash in the way I do. Really looks like a makeup now. So I haven't really used a lot of products today. I think this is the most simple makeup look that I've ever did in my makeup videos, because in the real life, to make it more clear, this is a more darker color. In the eyeliner. And for the next part, I'm going to use this highlighter. And you would think that if you're going to do a simple makeup look, why would you use an unnecessary step for your like hot, humid makeup look? And see what I do. I would just pick out the lightest highlighter that I have, the most popping out highlighter color, and apply it on the tip of my nose like this. And since you applied a really reddish blush, you might look really like kind of really hot. Like not, oh you're hot, not this kind of hot, but actually look like a flushing person. So to avoid that, I would apply this kind of like highlighter on my nose. Like this. And I wouldn't really recommend you to apply it all the way down to your nose, because in that way, your nose might look like too long, and long noses are actually older than you actually are. So I would just apply it here and cut in this area and just apply it once here. And with the same highlighter, you can also highlight your 애교살 area. You know 애교살? You apply here and also here. And I could use a glitter eyeshadow, of course, but imagine if you're doing a makeup in the Philippines. If I am in Boracay right now, I would not really want to pick up a lot of makeup products to do. Not just because it is really hot and you would not really want to move a lot, but also because the nature out there is so stunning. You would not really want to stick on your mirror and keep on doing your makeup, but rather than doing that, I will really want to go out and play out with the beautiful nature. So I will just use the same highlighter because I'm busy, actually. You didn't know, right? Because I'm busy. Imagine you're busy. And imagine that you're not really wanting to put a lot of effort into your makeup. And with the same eyebrow kit, apply some dark brownish powder and check out the color before you apply it on your face, because you're going to do a contour with a super dark color brown eyeshadow. So contour a little bit of the nose area that you want to contour. And apply it here to finish my lip tint, and this is going to be it. I'll apply some kind of really this. If you apply too much lip tint from the beginning, it might easily fall down. So I will just apply it under, like in my lower lips, and I'll just the mam, and I will not forget to smudge it out using my. So I'll just smudge it out like this. The makeup look is really, I can really see the makeup look. Lip makeup, especially when you want to do some kind of simple, and if you want your lips to look a little bit more like glamorous, you can smudge it out from over lips. Like you can like smudge, like you can like with the leftover you can move it on a little bit in the outer part of your lip. I would just call it a Philippines makeup look, because I really try to search, like look for some kind of like makeup videos that people do for the how the Philippine women do their makeup look, and I found out that they used a lot of powder, and they really don't really want to do a lot of like skin makeup, because you would sweat a lot, and if you do, you know, right? And you would also not and so this is the end of our today's makeup tutorial, and please leave in the comments like if you have any thoughts about the Filipino makeup look that I did, or any kind of recommendations that you would want to make to me. That's it. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, and hope all of you guys stay healthy. Thank you for watching.